Am I a huge color space? Am I a huge celebrity? Am I related to any celebrity under the sun who's related to
Not at
Salman
all.
Khan? I'm a likable guy, and that's my probably the problem that eventually everybody ends up liking me.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I am Rashita Sahani and today I have with me Shardul Pandit who has come out of a very nice and entertaining stint of Big Boss 14. So we'll be chatting with him about his journey. Hi Shardul, how have you been?
I am very good, but I think you think I'm a liar because all her audience. I was flirting with her and I said I'm not as beautiful as you are, and she's like she thinks that I'm joking. What the
Not
heck?
joking,
Nobody
but
believes
that
me.
no, I do believe, of course, I am beautiful, I believe, but I was just that, the personality that everyone has been talking about, that Abhi Shardul camera se baat kara, and, the commentary that you were doing inside the house, that is what, was very impressive.
यार मुझे तो वही करने को मना कर गए बाहर के दो जर्नलिस्ट तुम्हारे
Yeah.
दोस्त. मैं उसके बाद रुक ही गया. अगर मैंने वो कर दिया होता तो मैं टॉप 10 में जाता अभी.
Definitely. But tell me, Shardul, because your nomination and your eviction both has come as a shock. Because you were very friendly inside the house, also everything was going fine, and Rubina and you managed to get almost equal votes. What happened?
I said some journalists didn't like me, and that's the fact. And that's the fact because I was not nominated by people from inside the show. I was not like people were not against me in the show till that point. Um, Two people who don't know me nominated me. In fact, Farah ma'am also didn't nominate me. She in the end said that I'm not going to do it. I like him. So I'm a likable guy, and that's my probably the problem that eventually everybody ends up liking me. Eventually, I've had a very nasty fight with Kavita ji, but there was a day where I was a little emotional, and she came to me and she was kind of touching my head, and that's my power. I mean, people can't hate me, and that is something which people have not seen on Big Boss. We have always seen people generating a lot of hate. We have not seen a contestant generating love, and that's where I think things went wrong for me because even Ajaz, when I entered, Ajaz was not happy. He said that he's competition, and he was not talking to me for 3 days. And when I stood up for him in front of Kavita ji, he kind of developed a lot of brotherly love for me. Uh, Pavitra Punya, who's my friend, fought with me that why are you fighting for Ajaz when she was not having a good equation with him. I said, but I'm
Correct.
going to do my own thing. Rahul has had fights with me, and eventually he'll come to me and he's like, I don't like fighting with you because you're a प्यारा लड़का. अभी मैं क्या करूं अगर मैं इतना सुंदर हूं तो?
Yeah, correct. Actually, because you just had that one fight with Kavita, and later on, everyone was gelling up really nicely with you. Do you think that
No, no,
if.
no. I have had more fights. I have
Okay.
had some 5 major fights with Kavita ji. I have had 2 major fights with Rahul. I have had arguments with Rubina. I have had arguments with Pavitra. So yeah, my fights were not like कि मैं चप्पल मार दूंगा, मैं जूते मार दूंगा और मैं बोल दूंगा कि तू तो ऐसी है और तू वैसा है. वो मेरा झगड़ा करने का स्टाइल ही नहीं है. Because I went into generate work for myself as an anchor and as a host. And as an anchor and as a host, you need to be likable. And that I think I have achieved.
Definitely, definitely. And when Kavita came out of the show, she was, of course, she's inside again. If given a chance, are you also looking at going back to the
Oh,
show?
yes. I tweeted right now. I said, मैं घर से बाहर निकला वो देखते हुए future is here. मेरा तो अंदर ही रह गया bro. So I wanna go. I wanna go. But then it's in the hands of people and you guys, honestly, because the power of written word or journalists is immense. I am out because of journalists. I probably can go inside because of journalists, and I'm being very shameless now, and I'm requesting every journalist saying that uh, it is you guys who can change the perception about me because I am a funny guy. I am somebody who can give anybody a run for their money when it's about logic and fights and arguments. So I deserve a bigger chance, maybe, or something else, if not Big Boss. But that'll all depend on what you guys write about me. Because if the general perception is about isne kuch nahi kiya, then my career is over. But if the community of fans and journalists recognize what I have done by watching Woot or by interacting with me, they can give me a second chance in life.
Definitely, yeah, agreed. Correct. And what about three wildcard entries, you, Naina, and Kavita? Y'all being evicted 3 continuous weeks. Like, what went wrong? Was it the late entry to the show? What was it?
Of course, it is late entry to the show. What happens is that uh, if contestants are there in the show for 6 weeks and two contestants come in after 4 weeks, we can't have the same kind of screen time or fan following. We cannot. We just can't. Also, when we entered, there were already groups. Everybody was asking me, Shardul, तू कौन से group में आएगा? मैंने कहा भाई मेरे को तो decide करने दो कि कौन मेरे लिए खड़ा होगा. But it's difficult to talk to people because people sit in their own groups and they don't want to, it's like that. So yeah, that definitely goes wrong for every wild card.
So there are very few contestants who are in the liking list of Salman, and you made it there. But in yesterday's episode only, I saw Kavita. She was saying that Salman is kind of biased and towards Ejaz, and he doesn't listen to me. Do you think that actually happens? Because blaming Salman, he's the host. How fair is that?
Look, I will give you an answer which will justify everything. Am I related to Salman Khan?
No.
Am I a huge color space? Am I a huge celebrity? Am I related to any celebrity under the sun who's related to
Not
Salman
at all.
Khan? No. Why was he sweet to me? Because he's a man who functions from heart, and he saw
Correct.
my heart, which 150 cameras missed. So I think I've answered. If he was unfair, everybody knows now that he likes me. If he was unfair, he would have said, "I'm not letting Shardul go." He can do that. He can, but he did not. So he's fair.
Definitely, yeah. And what about your fights and arguments with Kavita Kaushik? Because she is coming across as she keeps saying also that मैं बहुत aggressive दिख रही हूँ. Is she actually that aggressive? Because you have watched her from inside and you have also had fights with her.
Well, it has happened with me. She did close the door on me.
Okay.
And had I exercised a little bit of force, it would have come out very wrong on camera. It would have looked like I am getting physical with a senior actress. So yeah.
Correct. And do you think that your parts, like you said that you were giving your 100%, and people were saying that you are not shown. I'm sure you must have come out and watched a few episodes and seen that that was true, because only some constant people and some constant fights were shown again and again, the follow-ups and everything. Do you think that's the reason that it's not actually properly shown, the parts where you were there or you were getting involved?
So I was getting affected with all of this also, and for some time I was feeling negative, and I started feeling like how a contestant feels. Then I saw a clip which Colors has telecast on the main episode where I'm trying to save an insect. It's a very small thing to do, but the way they have presented, उन्होंने मुझे हीरो बना दिया उस एक clip से. So I think I need to look at the positives. Who was I up against? One actress who has done 5-6 years of work on Colors as the main heroine. I used to joke with Rubina that tere photo mere saath hi lagenge. So I think when you change your attitude, you feel grateful. The very fact that you guys are interviewing me and talking such good things about me, the very fact that celebrities are sitting up and taking notice of me, the very fact that India is now calling and saying that for the first time they've seen an eviction like this, is my victory. I probably couldn't fight with fan clubs of millions, but now I probably someday will reach there because of the love that's generated from this show. I probably will get more work. Not yet. I haven't got it because I'm going to request every journalist, and that's the only thing I'm feeling a little sad about. That यार मुझे nominate बाहर से क्यों करके गए, मुझे रहने देते ना तो मैं रह जाता था एक हफ्ता और. And all I needed was 1 week more.
Agreed, yeah.
Then I would have been like कि भाई मेरे मैं colors पे रह गया इतने समय. So yeah, I am not negative anymore. I did go through that human emotion of feeling that. I did call few people and said that yaar aisa kyun kiya aur aisa waisa. But now it's flipped. Now it's changed, and now I will show India, and that's a promise that this is over, right? But what I make of it now the country will watch, and I will set an example that you cannot shut it down on me for too long.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
when life closed it, Big Boss happened. When Big Boss closed, there will come a time where everybody will talk about Shardul ki अरे हर जगह ये दिख रहा है.
Correct, definitely. And Pavitra was, as you all both said, that you all are friends from the outside, and your bond was actually shown very nicely inside the show also. But her constant love-hate relationship with Ejaz was not coming out very nicely. There were fans also tweeting about it. What was it? Was it for the game, according to you, or was it just very genuine?
यार दो इश्क ज़ादों के बीच में पढ़ना नहीं. ये मम्मी ने सिखाया है बचपन से. तो मैं ना पढ़ रहा. मैं क्यों पढ़ूं? दोनों जूते मारेंगे. दोनों मेरे हैं. ये बात पक्की है. मैं दोनों को बोल चुका हूं. तुम दोनों का जो होगा वो होगा. But तुम दोनों like you belong to me.
Okay. So coming to the mask task that happened with you and Naina, you were very generous to, share the mask, and both of you all got nominated. But from the game point of view, don't you think you could have kept it and, stayed in the green zone?
I could have.
Okay. Yeah. And what about the constant? We have seen that Salman, if he likes someone, next up in a year or so, there is work that's done between the two. Like we heard about Siddharth Shukla and Salman collaborating, Asim Riaz and Salman. What is it with you? Are you looking forward to a project with him or under his banner or something like that?
If he gives me that honor and that opportunity and that chance, I would thank heavens and stars and moon and colors, and I will just bow down on my social media to say that even when you think that everything's over, things can change. I will be honest, I'm definitely silently praying for that.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay. Okay, Shardul, lastly, I have just very quick rapid fire round with you. So I will name some adjectives, and you have to name a contestant that matches that adjective. So firstly, clever. Who's clever in the house?
Ali and Punya.
Okay. Who's the most dumb contestant?
Now I think Nikki.
Okay. Who plays the victim card the most?
Nobody, because I believe that people need to be real on the show. And everybody who says that anybody is playing a victim card, my thing is people also flaunt their designer clothes on the show, right? Isn't that showing their superiority? So why not a victim card?
Okay. Women card?
Now people have stopped because I think Big Boss ने announce कर दिया कि भाई women card नहीं चलेगा.
Yeah. Okay. Who's the most mean contestant?
I think we have done that in the show, and I think I have given that gift to someone already. I don't want to repeat it and get bashed by fans. I think I've done that in the show.
Yeah. Okay. And who's the most calm and sensible person?
Rubina.
Okay. Okay, Shardul, that was great. Thank you so much. All the very best. Looking forward to seeing you back in the show.
That you can make it happen, and please make it happen because your community got me out.
No. Definitely. And all the very best. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.